Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Business travel is continuing to rebound according to a recent survey conducted for Global Rescue. The company provides a range of services by subscription to assist with travel emergencies. CEO Dan Richards.
We've seen travel numbers ticking up, obviously, pretty aggressively since the pandemic, particularly when you look at the TSA numbers. Those numbers continue to ramp pretty substantially. But a lot of business travel has, in many sectors, yet to recover. And what we're seeing now, I think, is more sustained recovery, actually, for the business and enterprise travel segment.
Although the wider use of technology enabling remote meetings will likely remain a factor. Find more at globalrescue.com. You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Power life with good energy. That's been the philosophy at GoSun. We've been telling you about their remarkable ovens that let you cook with the power of the sun, day or night, rain or shine. And the innovations there continue. I've been using a GoSun cooler for years. Keep your food cold or even frozen without the need for heavy and messy ice. You can plug it in at home, in the car, or use battery power recharged by the sun. One of the latest innovations is the solar heated seat. Founder Patrick Sherwin and his team have created a seat that can warm you up fast in any weather. The battery is long-lasting and can be charged by a solar panel built right into the seat. And when you don't need the heat, you can keep your devices charged using that same solar panel and battery wherever you go. They have a lot more to show you, so pay a visit at gosun.co.